So here is a question that is asking us to calculate standard deviation for the 60-second result in the table above. So that means we are looking at calculating the value for the table here. First thing we need to do then is look at the standard deviation formula, and we are going to be looking specifically at this x first, and that x is referring to each individual value. So at 60 seconds, each individual values we are looking at 78, 74 and 78. Each value is going to be used in x minus x bar, so that's this next one here, x bar there, and that is referring to the mean value of 76.7. So to work this out, I'm going to sort of do it in almost like a table form. I'm going to work out x minus x bar first. So here we've got 78 minus 76.7 equals 1.3. Got 74 minus 76.7, and that equals minus 2.7. And then got again 78 minus 76.7 equals 1.3. So the next thing for us to do is to square those values. So it'll be x minus x bar, and I'm going to square them. So each of those values is going to get squared. So square that, square that, square that. And that then equals 1.69. We've got 7.29, and the last one again is 1.69. Right, the next section is for us to find the sum of those values. So the sum here of those values, we're going to just add them together, and that answer is 10.67. Okay, the next part of our equation asks us to divide by n minus 1. So to work out n minus 1, you've got the number of categories. So here we've got 1, 2, 3 categories. So n minus 1 is the same as doing 3 minus 1, and that is 2. So we've now got 10.67 divided by 2. And that is going to be 5.335. And then the last little section is for us to square root that value. So we're going to do square root of 5.335 equals 2.309. But before we put our answer in, we're going to look very quickly at this column here. Each of those values is left to one decimal place. So we're going to do the same with our number, and I'm going to leave it at 2.3. So 2.3 is the value there. I'm going to put it in the answer box. 2.3 for 2 marks. I'm hoping you found this video useful. If you did, please do give it a like, and if you want to see any future videos, please do subscribe as well.